Okay, let's look closer at that part C from Mr. Early's notes. The question was cosine of arc tangent radical 3 minus arc sine of radical 3 over 2 equals what? We're going to rewrite this instead of putting arctan, put inverse tan. Same thing here. And then I'm going to let this symbol right here represent inverse tangent of radical 3. And that basically means when does tangent, which is sine over cosine, equal radical 3? So when does, because this can be written as tangent alpha equals radical 3. Okay, so when does this value right here, let that be sine x over cosine equals radical 3. Well, that's going to happen if we look at our unit circle when we have radical 3 over 2 divided by 1/2. Those 2's will cancel and we'll get radical 3. And where is sine of, where is that on our graph? We're going to get sine radical 3 divided by cosine of 1/2. Why is it not this side? Over here, I would get negative 1/2 radical 3 over 2. So I'd get a negative. So it's not defined in that quadrant. It's over here at the 60 degrees. Remember, 30, 45, 60. So it's defined at 60 degrees. So therefore, the symbol equals 60 degrees. And then now we're going to figure out inverse, or we're going to let beta equals inverse sine of radical 3 over 2. And this question is just, I could rewrite it as sine of beta equals radical 3 over 2. And when is sine of something, at what degree is sine equal to radical 3 over 2? Well, it's radical 3 over 2 here and at the 120. But again, it's defined in quarter one. So that means beta equals 60 degrees also. So if I come back here and I rewrite this, okay, we can rewrite this as cosine of alpha minus beta. And we just had said that alpha up here in this example is equal to 60 degrees minus beta equals 60 degrees. So that really is cosine of 0 now. Well, what is cosine of 0? Well, look at the unit circle. Where is cosine equal to 0? My favorite thing about this unit circle. Cosine. Oh, I did this again here too. Yeah. When at 0, cosine is 1. So equals to 1. And we get this from the unit circle. That's how you do that part right there. Right? Didn't need to leave you hanging on the last video, but I ran out of time.